Have you ever met someone who didn't need to speak loudly? Didn't need to show off? Didn't need to brag? Yet people immediately felt their presence? Someone who walks into a room and suddenly the energy shifts? Someone who feels powerful, unreadable, a little intimidating, but not in a violent or aggressive way. Rather in a controlled, magnetic, mysterious way? That's what psychologists call a dangerous aura, not dangerous as in violent. Dangerous as in unpredictable, confident, fully in control, emotionally disciplined. Hard to manipulate. People with this aura attract respect, attention, curiosity, and yes, sometimes fear. Today, I'm going to show you how to build this aura using dark psychology principles. These are not tricks to harm anyone. They are tools to protect yourself, raise your power, and make people think twice before crossing you. Let's begin. 1. The power of controlled silence. One of the rarest abilities humans have is the ability to stay silent. Most people rush to fill space with words. They overshare, they overexplain, they try to impress. But people with a dangerous aura don't. Controlled silence sends a very specific dark psychology signal. I don't need your approval. I don't need to explain myself. I am comfortable with my own mind. Silence makes people nervous because they can't read what you're thinking. Your silence forces them to react to you instead of you reacting to them. Try this. When someone asks you a question, pause for 1 second before responding. When someone makes a joke or insult, don't laugh immediately. When someone shows off, don't give them the reaction they want. You instantly become mysterious, and unpredictability is power. 2. Speak less. Say more. People with a powerful aura don't talk constantly. They speak with purpose. When you talk less, people listen more. Your words carry more weight. You appear wiser. You appear harder to manipulate. And you seem more emotionally in control. Use shorter sentences. Talk slower. End your sentences confidently, without checking people's reactions. This alone makes people see you as someone not to be messed with. 3. The unbreakable eye contact technique. Dark psychology shows that controlled, calm eye contact is one of the fastest ways to establish dominance and strength. Here's how to do it right. Don't stare aggressively. Don't blink excessively. Don't look away too quickly. Hold the gaze just a second longer than normal. That tiny extra second sends a psychological message. I see you. I'm not intimidated. And I'm not in a rush to look away. Eye contact becomes dangerous when it's calm, not aggressive. People feel your presence immediately. 4. Emotional minimalism. A dangerous aura comes from one thing: emotional control. Most people are emotionally transparent. They show anger instantly. They show frustration instantly. They show insecurity instantly. They get triggered easily. But someone with a dangerous aura has what psychologists call emotional minimalism. They reveal very little. Nothing shakes them easily. They don't react fast. They stay calm in uncomfortable situations. This makes people assume you know something they don't. You're more experienced, you're more powerful, you're more confident. The less emotional noise you create, the more powerful your presence becomes. 5. Slow, controlled movements. People who move quickly appear nervous, uncertain, or insecure. People with a dangerous aura move like they have all the time in the world. Slow and controlled movements signal power, emotional control, confidence, self-discipline, strength. This is why military leaders, CEOs, and highly dominant individuals move with calm precision. Try this. Walk slightly slower, turn your head slowly, don't fidget, don't rush your gestures, don't move your hands excessively. Your body will broadcast confidence without you saying a word. 6. The unreadable face technique. This is a classic dark psychology method. Keep your face neutral, calm, and unreadable. Avoid nervous smiles, fake laughter, overreactions. Twitchy eyebrows, fast facial expressions instead. Keep your jaw relaxed, maintain soft eye contact, keep your lips neutral. Breathe slowly. When people can't read your emotions, they become more cautious around you. They don't know if you're happy, upset, bored, or evaluating them. That uncertainty gives you psychological advantage. 7. Low, calm voice tone. Your voice can instantly make you appear powerful or powerless. When you lower your voice by even 5 to 10%, people subconsciously associate it with confidence and authority. Speak with calm tone, controlled rhythm, slower pace, clear articulation. No nervous fillers, like, A calm voice is more intimidating than an angry voice. Anger shows lack of control. Calmness shows dominance. 8. The selective attention trick. People with a dangerous aura don't give attention easily. Why? Because attention is a form of power. Most people laugh at every joke, react to every comment, turn their head at every noise, give energy to everyone. Don't do that. Instead, give attention strategically, only when you choose to, not automatically. This makes people value your reactions more. When you finally show interest, it feels meaningful. You become someone people want to impress. 9. Never reveal your weak spots too fast. People who reveal everything about themselves become easy to read, easy to manipulate, and easy to predict. A dangerous aura comes from controlled self-disclosure. Share less, reveal slowly. Keep your history, emotions, and personal details guarded. People should feel like they're rediscovering you layer by layer, not downloading your life story in one go. Mystery is strength. 10. The I don't chase rule. This is one of the strongest dark psychology principles. Powerful people don't chase. They attract. They don't overtext, double-text, beg for attention, overcompliment, try to impress. They remain calm. They show interest, but not desperation. They let others come to them. The moment you stop chasing, your value rises. 11. Be unpredictable just a little. Humans fear what they can't predict. Predictability equals safety. Unpredictability equals power. Be unpredictable in subtle ways. Don't respond instantly. Change your routine occasionally. Set boundaries suddenly but calmly. Be unavailable sometimes. Switch your tone from warm to neutral. This unpredictability creates curiosity and respect. People start treating you carefully. 12. The power of saying no without explaining. Weak people over-explain. Powerful people don't. When you say, "No, I can't, that doesn't work for me, I'm not interested," without explaining or apologizing, you show truly dangerous confidence. When you refuse something calmly and without guilt, people feel your strength. 13. Don't try to be liked. This is the foundation of a dangerous aura. You stop needing approval. You don't adjust your personality to please others. You don't change your opinions to fit in. You don't pretend to be smaller or weaker. Instead, be comfortable with who you are, stand your ground, hold your opinions, set boundaries, protect your energy. The less you try to be liked, the more magnetic you become. 14. Become comfortable with conflict. Most people fear conflict. They avoid confrontations, arguments, and disagreements. But powerful people are comfortable with controlled conflict. They don't seek fights, but they also don't run away from tension. If someone disrespects you, look at them calmly, hold eye contact, speak, slowly state your boundary, don't raise your voice, don't justify your calmness during conflict is intimidating. 15. Develop a purpose bigger than people. When you're focused on goals, mission, purpose, you naturally become harder to manipulate. Why? Because your attention is not centered around approval, it's centered around growth. A person with purpose becomes unpredictable, disciplined, emotionally mature, valuable, magnetic. People sense when your mind is on a higher level. Final message: a dangerous aura is not about being harmful or cruel. It's about being calm, confident, unreadable, emotionally disciplined, mysterious, and powerful. It's about becoming someone people respect. Someone people feel careful around, someone whose presence is felt before they even speak. Once you master these principles, you'll notice people treat you more seriously. People try harder around you. People stop disrespecting you. People become curious about you. People feel your presence instantly. And most importantly, you become someone who cannot be controlled, manipulated, or underestimated. That is true power.